What's up, traders? Happy Thursday. James Bruce here for another daily review. Right, but before we get into it, the stream is sponsored by Ageful. Go check them out. The link is in my bio. I'll show you how I used some of their reports to actually place some trades today, and I end up making some money. So let's go over it. Let's get right into it. Okay, you can actually see I actually took my trades live on the Apple ticker today. So on stream on ASFX TV, Austin and Evan crushed the ES shorts. I took Apple long positions. And you could have been trading live with us. You can use the code Xmas for 25% off on your first month. So if you want to trade with us live, and that is appealing to you, you love my bald head, come check us out. The link is in my bio as well. Perfect. And then just to confirm, that payout that I took yesterday from FTMO actually arrived in my crypto account today. So a day's turnaround just for you guys that are hating on prop firms. They actually do pay out. FTMO is one of the better ones in the industry. So yeah, come watch me trade my FTMO account live on ASFX TV. Use the code Xmas for a first month off. Let's get right into it. I was not looking at ES or S&P or NASDAQ today. Clearly, we were trading within the previous day's highs and lows. Now, an interesting statistic with that, if I bring up my main screen over here, and it's an interesting statistic, if I just bring up Edgeful, on ES in the last 2 years, we've only traded at an inside day 12% of the time. So 62 out of the 515 trading days have been inside days. So very rare. So that's why I stay away from days that trade like this. Very range bound there. You can see very up and down, trading below that start of day VWAP. So I just stayed away from NASDAQ. I stayed away from S&P. It's just not my place. And that's okay. I stuck to the DAX, which I got a little bit chopped up on. You can see very, very choppy. But we can actually see we did take our previous day's high. So over here, so that kept me interested in the longs in continuation. But we'll have to see what we do get rest of the day, or rest of the week going into tomorrow. I did close this out for a break-even position. And then my Apple position over here, so I can actually bring up my main screen over here. Let's go to my notebook section. Let's go to today's daily journal. Right, you can actually see what I'm up $938, right? So grand. Trading these Apple longs on my FTMO and personal trading accounts. Simple reason why I like these for longs, and I did do this trade breakdown actually in the Edgeful Discord. So you can go watch me there as well. I am in there, and you can go interact with me and see why I do like the Edgeful statistics. Again, get the link in my bio. But yeah, Apple respecting previous day's lows. I love how we bounce off and holding those previous day's lows. Now you can actually see I didn't trade the S&P and I didn't trade the NASDAQ simply because we were trading it as an inside day. Whereas you can see Apple, we did break through those previous day's lows, and that I was able to say, okay, this is potential to move today simply because we have broken through those lows. Now, I was also looking at Tesla. I missed some longs on Tesla, which actually would have been a loser. So we'll still have to mark this up because this is one of my playbook trades. I didn't like it though because we didn't break through those pre-market highs. You can see over here, pre-market highs, right? And we broke through previous day's highs, but I didn't like how we didn't get above these pre-market highs. So I stayed out of this, and that actually would have been a loser for me today. So maybe I could have looked to take the reversal trade off of those levels. But if I was looking to trade a continuation play, which is my favorite, that would have been a loser. Another ticker I was looking at was Microsoft. I didn't really like trading Google, but Microsoft was another ticker that I did like. And we can actually see we break through previous days highs, and then this was the move here that I missed. So you can actually see from my trading, I love using those previous days range, highs and lows. And we can actually see from Edgeful, they've actually got a report here called that previous days range report. This actually tells us year to date, if we break through the previous days highs, what are the chances that we close as a bullish closing day? And obviously we didn't take through those highs today, but when the Thursdays have actually been pretty bearish days this year. So for me, I like to only trade once we take out those previous days highs and lows, whether I'm trading stocks, whether I'm trading indexes, whatever I am looking at. That is some of my best edge. So I hope you guys enjoyed my daily review. Apple longs, DAX for winner, DAX break even. That was my trading day. I hope you guys have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next daily review. Appreciate it.